everyone, this is Lucy from Kappa Computer Systems. In this video, I'm going to show you the all-important Control-Shift-T. I've reviewed this a few years ago, but if you don't remember or never heard of this keyboard shortcut, this is a good one. What Control-Shift-T allows you to do is bring back your last closed tab in Chrome. It's great for if you accidentally close a tab. As an example, I'm going to go ahead and close the tab. And then I'm going to hit my combination Control Shift and T, and it brings the tab right back up, right where I left it. And you can also get back previously closed tabs. I'm going to go ahead and close 3 tabs. Then I'm going to hit Control Shift T, Control Shift T, and Control Shift T. And I now have all 3 of those tabs back open that I just closed. What's great too is if you accidentally close out of Chrome, you can open it back up, do your Control-Shift-T command, and bring all the tabs back up that were closed. Let me show you that. So I'm just going to close out of Chrome, and I'm going to reopen Chrome, and I'm going to select Control-Shift-T, and there you go. It brings back all my tabs that I previously had open. And that's it for Control-Shift-T. I hope it can be useful to you. This is Lucy from Kappa Computer Systems. Have a great day.